So this is linked in my Amazon store, and this is linked in the description and bio. If y'all can hear that this boy's coughing or eating breakfast right now, make sure y'all get one of these or a few of them. I don't know how many kids you got. These will be linked in my description. These are books that the boys start in. If you are looking for some autism heroes, these starring Julian Jackson. The camera won't say nothing, but I got it right next to me. I'm gonna show you guys the folders and stuff like that, and in they folders, and they on how I did it. It has the date that I actually organized it, and it just has like a reading thing for each day. You know, 1, 2, 4. And like I said, my author's link is down in the description, and so is my Amazon store. These books are in both. This is math, this one is blue. This is reading, math, tracing, it's helping them writing, drawing, stuff like that. This one, they just put the number in here. The folder. Finding the words that match or the words that don't belong, and also learning sight words at the same time. I got a few sheets. And then this is placing. Y'all know Julian turned 5 here in October. Jackson turned 4 in December. So what all they are and stuff like that. You just cut it out, and these are activities that they do. These are plant parts. You have body parts and stuff like that they can learn, or that they will be learning. On top of them doing those activities, y'all, of course y'all seen that we have books, but also I have coloring books. We are just trying to build those muscles in their hands. So